Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am Machampions Digivolved, and we're back. We are back with Ark Pokemon Survival Evolved. Now, I need to start making teleporters. I got a good bit of electronics. If anything, I can at least make I can make a thingy, teleporter thing. But I need to find polymer. So I am gonna head down the beach, and we are gonna be on the hunt for polymer today. Hopefully we can find it. I'm not holding out too much hope that we will run into it. I mean, let's see. I need uh 10 pieces of polymer. Oh, am I hitting you? I need 10 pieces of polymer, and in order to make the remote, and that'll make traveling at least a little bit easier because all I got to do is travel to the obelisk. So we need to somehow, some way, get our hands on polymer. I don't exactly know how I'm going to go about doing that, though. I think if I go around here, build up stamina, and then I could jump to that island, hopefully, and check that island out and see if I can't find uh something. Something. But it's about the only shot I have. Oh, there's a giant whale right there. Still no Gyarados. All right, hopefully we can make this leap. I'm not exactly too confident in this right now. Maybe we go to that island. Um, you know what? Let's go over here. We'll go over here, go around, over there, up and around. Yeah. It's gonna make the most sense, actually. Um, just because of stamina reasons, as you could see. I'm already about half stamina, and we're only into the middle of the... Oh, those things are scary. We're only into the middle of the ocean. So, hopefully, hopefully, we could find some sort of polymer. I know that we ran into some spiders and things like that, but they don't drop polymer. I would need mantises, I believe. So, yeah. All right, we're going to park here. We're going to jump to there. Okay? And then we're going to cross over that way, I guess. It's about the only way I can do this. This is some big brain playing right now. High IQ plays right here. Either that or it's me being extremely terrified of all that down there. Which very well could be the case. I wouldn't doubt it. Or, chances are it's going to be up there. That looks like it's a volcano. Oh, I could have made it over to the... We're not stopping there. We're going to try. Oh, so slow. I don't need any of that crap. I probably could have swum this faster. I'm thinking a raft is a very good idea. That's an alpha. I don't like the idea of alphas. They're rather scary creatures, these alpha creatures. Look at that thing. Honestly, if I could take it out, though. Come here. Oh, of course I can't hit it. Of course you want to swim down into the depths. Yeah, not gonna happen. Well, that was a shot. What is... Oh, that's just a tree. I was gonna say, what is all that nonsense? Not seeing anything too concerning on this beach here. Which is nice. But if I could just get polymer and then get it back, which is also going to be the trick, is getting it back before it decides it's gonna spoil. Alright, let's head up this way. I see metal. Take a little bit of that while I'm here. Absolutely. We can't have too much metal. Alright. I'll give you all this stuff to hold. I've got a level. We're going to put my level into... we're going to need fortitude for where I'm about to go. I'm about to go where no Machampion has ever gone before. Larion. Litwick. Nothing too scary so far. I mean, we really haven't even come across anything terribly scary. Hello? What's down here? Oh, there's a Basilosaurus in there. And a bunch of crap that doesn't concern me. There's another one over there. Oh, 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 get away from me. Get away from me. I don't want any. I mean, I'm assuming that there's an Espeon, a Buizel. Go away. Go away. What just hit me? Oh, Gyarados. Hmm. Well. Oh, Noivern's got a level. Movement speed. So slow. Still no Gyaradoses, though. Finding these little Basilosauruses, which is going to be nice because I need their blubber later. When it's time to start taking on actual bosses. Right now is not that time. Scorpions, they don't... Do they drop polymer? I don't think so. Oh, there's the Mega Charizard X. Oh, it's a B-Sharp. And a Litwick. And a Blaziken. And there's the Mega Charizard that I don't want anything to do with right now. 22,000 Torpor. Nope. Just nope. Here, I'll help you out, you little Argentavis. Nope. Oh, you go away. Nope. Oh, Alolan Sandslashes too? Oh, I got killed by those many times. That's still happening to me, right? Okay. Oh. Carnos. Trevenant. More more scorpions that don't give me what I need. All this should give me charcoal if I needed charcoal. Pyroar. Quilladin. That's not what I think it is it? That isn't what I think it is it? Come on. Oh, crap. That is a Giga. That thing will one-shot me. Without question. Without question, will one-shot me. Oh, nope. Ooh, there's an Argentavis egg. That is scary. Alright. Let's cross. I got a very bad feeling about this. If I die, well, my stuff is lost. There will be no way to get it back. Blaziken. Okay, Ghastly. Okay. Raptors. Sabertooths. I'm fine with all that. I'm fine with all that. Quilladin. Okay. A Rex. I'm okay with that too. I'm okay with that too. I can handle that. Kind of. Kind of. I can kind of handle that. There's an Alpha Rex. Woohoo! 42,000 health on that one. Whew! Clever girl. Wait, boy. And I found the river Styx. I just need polymer. There's gotta be an ice biome up here, right? Somewhere? What's in that? Nothing. Wolves? That's another Rex. That's okay. That's not scary. That's not either. Get some stamina back. Alpha boy, stay over there. Do not come over here. I don't want any. I don't want no trouble. I'm just looking for, I think at this point in time, I'm looking for mantises. Hello? I'm cold? How am I cold? I'm in a volcano. How am I cold? Arthropleura. Oh, good golly. That's a lot of stuff down there. Titan boas. Spiders. Not a single mantis. Okay. Now I'm hot. Spider, spider, spider. Along came the spider who sat down beside her and frightened me right away. Ugh. Giant spiders. Alright, mantises? Spider, 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 scorpion, spider, 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 scorpion. Snake. No! What just happened? What just happened? I got dismounted for no reason. What the heck? Oh. And there's no way to get my stuff back. It's in the lava pool. Noivern's a lost cause as well. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Now I gotta rebuild. I gotta get everything back again. Well, if you liked the video and liked watching me just apparently plummet to my death into a pool of lava, hit the thumbs up button. Do not forget, there's a Noivern over there, to comment down below and subscribe to the channel. But you guys go out there and be Machampions, and I'm gonna do something. Bye!